नाउ लिसन टू मी, देयर इज द कंडीशनल टॉकिंग। व्हेनेवर कंडीशनल, कि जब तक तुम नहीं मेहनत करोगी तो पास नहीं कर पाओगे। दिस इज कंडीशनल। तुम्हारा कंडीशन क्या है कि जब तक तुम काम नहीं करोगी, तुम जब तक काम नहीं करोगी पास नहीं। इट इज ऑल्सो कंडीशनल। तुम्हारा कंडीशन क्या है कि तुम काम करने पर डिपेंड करता है, तुम जब काम करोगी तब पास करोगी। unless you work hard, you can't pass, तुम पास नहीं कर सकती। अगर तुम शिक्षक के बात को नहीं सुनोगी, इफ में आ जाता है कभी कंडीशनल, अनलेस नहीं सुनना, अनलेस यू हेयर द टीचर यू कैन नॉट बी ए गुड स्पीकर। अनलेस यू हेयर द स्पीकर, जब नहीं करोगे, अनलेस यू हेयर द टीचर you can't speak well or learn English, कुछ भी लिख सकती हो, learn English. Here is this, it is called the conditional way of talking. Conditional way. Suppose you come here, you come here. I will ask you 3-4 sentence, you make it. You come here. अगर तुम ये किताब नहीं पढ़ोगी तो अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख सकोगी।
Unless you read the book, you can't learn English.
समझ गए? What she has told? क्या कही?
Unless you read the book, you can't learn English.
Very fine. अगर तुम जल्द नहीं जाओगे तो तुम गाड़ी नहीं पकड़ सकोगे।
Unless you go early, you can't catch the train.
Very fine. You sit down. You come here. You. अगर तुम उनसे बात नहीं करोगी तो उनके बारे में नहीं जान सकोगी।
Unless you talk to her, you can't know about her.
अगर तुम जल्द नहीं आओगी तो क्लास नहीं पकड़ सकोगी, माने क्लास में नहीं जा सकोगे।
Unless you come early, you cannot attend class.
Unless you come early, you cannot attend. अगर तुम ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करोगी तो पास नहीं कर सकोगी।
Unless you work hard, you can't pass.
You can't pass. अगर तुम नहीं घूमने जाओगी तो तुम्हारा सेहत अच्छा नहीं होगा।
Unless you don't go out, you can't be healthy.
You can't be healthy. Very fantastic. She already has sit down. She already has described or speak out very clearly the sentence. So sentence को क्या करी, बहुत clearly बोली, it is the conditional sentence. Sometime जो बात को उसने लाई थी, until जो है टाइम का कहता है, वक्त का बताता है, conditional है मगर वक्त में है। But unless you come here, I can't teach you. अगर तुम नहीं आओगी तो मैं तुमको पढ़ा नहीं सकता। That means it is condition. Whenever you will come here, you can learn a lot of things. Now, in this sentence, we come only to know about the conditional one that is called the unless. Most of the student, they are using unless you do not come. अगर तुम नहीं, unless तो negative हो गया. First sentence is the negative is due to unless. Again, you write the sentence in the negative way. So, do you understand it? Piku, do you understand anything about this unless sentence? Piku is a small girl. She is only laughing. She does not understand me. कुछ समझियो? माने a little. इतना से हाथ दिखा के कह रही है। बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, बट हाथ तो दिखाई है। Those are coming here, they can know. Those are not coming here, they can't know. It is not that it is the class, it is free of cost and I will go and make the entertainment and come back. It is not that. Whatever the class may be with fee or without fee, the class must be go on. Okay, do you understand? Thanks a lot. This class is stop here, another we will go. Again, I say, if there is a no word, you cannot speak out. So that you should know a lot of word and use it in your speaking and writing. Thanks.